Gondor full automatic ice cream wafer cone machine. Fully automated operation. Save time and effort. One-click operation and data recording. Mold size and shape are customizable. Automatic injection of batter into the mold. Press down and heat to form. Automatic I collect waste materials. Efficient automated production. The shape of the egg tray is regular. Excellent quality of finished products. High precision weighing control. Automatic wafer cone machine applicable products. Covering an area of 12,615 square meters.